Now let's assume that I want to return orders that have customer records attached to it. That means that I have some orders that do not have customer records, like the customer ID is not in our customers table. So that means that I want to return only values that are common to the orders table and the customers table. So it has returned only orders 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5 with corresponding customer names. So now if we check our tables, we use our select, let's say our orders table first. We'll see that in our orders table we have a customer ID up to 6. That's 1, 2, 3 up to 6. Then let's see our customer table. So we see that our customer ID runs up to number 3. So there's no 6 in our customer table. So that means that we don't have, for order number 6, we don't have a corresponding customer detail. So we only have for orders number 1 to 5. So that's why for our inner join statement, we have only orders 1 to 5. That's the orders that are common to the two tables. I mean, the information that is common to the two tables. That's what we have returned in our table.